This 5% per month EA used to be paid, but right now you can download it and get it running on your own account in just a few minutes. No experience, no coding, and nothing complicated. And I'll show you our results where we're already trading it in a live account. What's more, I'm going to show you exactly how to get started, step by step, using an EA that's now completely free. But before we get started, please take a second to check if you're subscribed. It's completely free and it helps us keep testing strategies, running real accounts, and sharing our results exactly as they are. Your support makes it possible for us to keep doing this consistently and sharing it all with you. Thanks. So let's get started on the VPS where we're running this in a live account, and what you can see is that we've been trading this EA for approximately 2 months now, and in this $1,000 live account we've made a total net profit of about $180, so pretty close to 20%. And you can also see that there are a fair amount of trades that have executed. Most of them are profitable, but there were a few losing trades, and we're going to look at that in more detail later in the video. But let's take a look at the EA itself on the vendor's website, and that is the Forex store, and I will link to it down below in the description for you. And what you can do is, let's quickly log out and I'll show you how you create an account. So the first thing you need to do is click on register, and it's very simple. It's a pop-up. All you got to do is put in your name, your email, your address, and create a password. You'll click send. You'll get an email with a link to confirm everything, and once you've done that, you're in. Your account is open. So once you've done that, you're going to click on login. You're going to go in and log in with your details. Okay, and you'll be in this area. Now the first thing we're going to do is let's do a search for the EA, and it is called the Market Fighter. And if we do that, we can see that here it is here. We can click on it, and let's take a quick look at the vendor's track record. And if we click on it here, what we can see, there's been substantial growth. So since December of 23, so that's about a little over 2 years, it's made about 1,000% in profit, and it was running very smoothly initially. However, recently there have been these very large drawdowns. Now if we look at the max recorded drawdown, it's about 80%, which is very big and well beyond our threshold and what we find acceptable. But he's obviously using much riskier settings, and we're going to look at the settings a little later in the video. They're very simple really, but overall still quite profitable, and it does seem like there is a drawdown at the moment. But if we look at the results over time, well, we can see that every month except for February was profitable. In 2025, every month was profitable, different profits. Obviously this one is huge. Again, I'm not sure exactly what risk settings the vendor is using, but it's obviously significantly higher than those that we have in our account. And if we look at the results so far this year, January was negative, but February and March were both positive. Okay, so let's go back to the EA itself. Here it is here. Now you'll see that free download is grayed out. The reason is I have kind of already added this to my cart, so to speak. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go to my personal area, and you can see that from here you can download it. However, before you do, you need to assign a MetaTrader account number. And what we're going to do is we're going to set up a demo account, a new demo account with this, just so I can show you the process and exactly how you can do it really easily and start trading with it on your own. Okay, so for that, we are going to go to the broker that I have selected for this, and this is the same broker where we have a trading in our live account, and that's going to be Black Bull Markets. So again, if you don't have an account, I will leave a link to the broker down below in the description. Very simple, very similar process to set up an account, but what I'm going to do is I'm going to log in, and that'll take me to my client area where I can very quickly and easily set up a new demo account or a live account, but in this case we're going to be going with a demo. So just click on create account and then make your selection. So in this case we're going to be using MetaTrader 5. Nickname, this is whatever you want it to be, so I'm just going to call this the Market Fighter Demo. Okay. All right, account type. Now, there's two to choose from, standard or prime. They have different trading conditions. I'm not going to go into it in too much detail. Marin from the team recorded a video recently where he basically did a head-to-head comparison in great detail. If you missed that, I will link to it down below in the description so you can see the difference. But essentially, the winner on the test that he did was prime, so we're going to stick with prime. All right, just create a password, anything that you want. Okay, just confirm it. All right, your base currency you can select. We're going to go with US dollar. Leverage, we usually trade 1 to 100. Balance, we're going to make it 1,000, and then we're going to click on submit. Okay, and as simple as that, our account is open. So it just takes a few seconds, and we can see here it is here, right here. What we're going to do next is we are going to copy this account number here, and we're going to go back to the Forex store, and we are going to paste it in there. Click on save. Okay, done. Next, we are going to download the EA. All right, perfect. Here it is here. Okay, so what I'm going to do Just go to my downloads folder, right on my VPS. I'm going to just paste it in there. Okay, here it is. Now, the next thing that we need to do is install our platform. Now, for that, we're going to quickly go back to Black Bull Markets. And what we're going to do is we're going to go to trading platforms. Okay, here you'll see all the trading platforms that are available. As we saw, we're going to select MetaTrader 5. So you go there and then you just select the operating system that you're working with. In my case, it is Windows. So we're going to click on that. Okay, that downloads. Go back to the VPS. And what we can see is here's the installation file here. So very quick and easy to install it. So all we're going to do is we are going to double click on the setup file. Okay, we're going to go to settings. We're going to unselect the OpenMQL community website, and what we're going to do is we're going to give this a unique name. The reason is, number one, so that when you're looking through your accounts, if you have multiple accounts, it's very easy to identify which account is for what purpose. And the second reason is if you install more than one platform, more than one MetaTrader 5 from the same broker and use the same installation folder, it could overwrite your existing files. So all I normally do is I'm just going to do that. I'm going to give it the same name that I gave it. Okay, there we go. And then I'm going to click on next. Okay, you can see that it just takes a few seconds to install. Click on finish and it will open up the platform for us. Okay, so what we're going to do is we are going to log in with the details that we have created. So let's just quickly go back to our platform. We're going to go to trading accounts. I'm going to just copy in this account number again. Okay, paste it in there, and then the password that we selected. All right, and it is the Black Bull's demo. And if you're not sure what server it is, again, if you go back here to Black Bull, it'll actually show you the server name. So we're going to click on OK, and as you can see, we are now logged in. Okay, what we're going to do is we're going to close these charts that are here by default. I'm going to show you that in a second. Okay, all of these can be closed, and what we're going to do is we're now going to select the chart that we are going to be trading the EA on, and that's going to be the euro dollar. So let's see if it's here. Here it is here, euro dollar. Now you might see a P on the end if you're opening a Prime account. That's all it means. It just means that it's a Prime account. So if you do see a suffix, don't worry about it. It doesn't mean anything. I'm going to click on chart window. We are going to select H1, and it is on H1 already. Next thing we're going to do is we are going to enable algo trading. This is very important. You must remember to do this before you place your EA onto the chart. Next, we're going to go and place the EA onto the chart. So how do we do that? Very easy. We're going to go back here. We're going to unzip this folder where it is. Okay, just click on extract all. Now, before we did, it's worth looking through the user manual very quickly. And when you download it, as you saw, you do get it with you. I think all we need to do is enable the DL. Okay, so the next thing we're going to do is place the EA onto the chart. Now, back to where we downloaded and extracted it. We're going to select MetaTrader 5, MQL5. We've got experts and libraries. So there's files in these, and we're going to place them in the same folders on the platform. So let's start with experts. We're going to copy that. We're going to go to our platform. Okay, we're going to go to File, Open Data folder, MQL5, experts. Now, what I generally like to do is just delete the stuff here. It's just not necessary, and it just clogs up my workspace. You don't have to. It doesn't affect the operation in any way. But like I said, just something I like to do. I'm going to paste the expert advisor in there. I'm going to go back to MQL5. I'm going to click on libraries, and what I'm going to do is I'm going to go back to my download here, go back to MQL5, libraries, and we are going to copy this DLL into the folder on our platform. Go here, copy it in here. Okay, perfect. That's all done. Okay, the next thing we're going to do is we're going to click on Tools, Options. I'm going to go to Expert Advisors. Make sure that Allow Algorithmic Trading is enabled. We don't need those checkboxes there, and this is the important one, Allow DLL Imports. Okay, click on OK. Then what I'm going to do is I'm going to expand this, and what you can see is those ones that I deleted are still there. But what I'm going to do is I'm going to just right click, hit refresh, and what you can see is that now the market fight is here. And now it's as easy as simply clicking on it and dragging it onto my chart. Okay, just check that everything is okay here. Everything is good, and we are going to click on OK. In fact, before I click on OK, you can do this after you install the EA onto the chart. But what we're going to do is we're going to go to inputs, and I'm going to set this up the same way that it is in our live account. Okay, so first thing is the auto risk, and I'm going to set that to false. And this auto risk works with the risk limit. So essentially what will happen is if you set this to true like that, it will look at what your risk limit is. So this is essentially your drawdown protection. So what will happen is that it will open trades and the size of the trades and the recovery trades, the number, the frequency, the size, according to what this number here is. So it's going to automatically calculate the trades and the recovery trades to keep you within that risk limit, to keep you within that 25%, in this case, that 25% drawdown limit. However, we've performed performed many back tests, and what we found is that it actually works better if we set this to false. Then this doesn't actually have any bearing anymore. And what we're going to do is with starting lot, we're going to trade the smallest lot size, which is 0.01. The rest of this can stay the same. The only thing we do need to change, in fact, is you got to just check with your broker what their order filing type is. I know with Blackball it is IOC, so I'm going to click on OK. And that's it. It is attached to our chart and it is now trading. It's that easy to get started in algo trading. Simply register with a regulated broker like Blackball Markets and use a free A like the Market Fighter. And again, I will leave links to all of this down below in the description. Okay, that's it. So we will keep an eye on this account and see how it does. As I said, we're already trading this on a live account, so this video is really more just to show you exactly how to do it if you want to get started on a demo account. But what we like to do as well is to keep a demo and a live account running simultaneously at times, and just to compare the results to make sure that the demo results and the live results do match or are at least very similar. There will always be slight differences because you're running on different servers, potentially in different data centers. There's slippage, execution speeds and things like that, but they should still be very, very similar. And lastly, before we wrap up, the last thing that I want to show you is the results using the Space Tracker, which is our in-house tracking app. Now, once you're on the website, you can just go to results and you can select if you want to look at live trading, funded trading, prop challenges, etc. We're going to look at live trading, and once we're on the page, what we're going to do is we're going to do a quick search. So Market Fighter, here it is here. And if I click on track record, which is here on the end, what you will see is that we have the track record. Now you can see that there were some drawdowns, even though we are trading at much lower risk. This is some kind of a grid type EA, so drawdowns are expected and completely normal, but as I said, based on our back test, the results that we saw were well within our threshold, so we're quite happy. You can see that the biggest drawdown that we had was here, and this was about 12%, which is well within our 50% limit. And then there was another drawdown here which recovered. There was a slightly very small and longer one here which went into a bigger one, but again it recovered, and another small one here which recently recovered. So this is completely normal. It's exactly what we expected, and based on the results that we're seeing so far, you can see that we're getting over 5% a month, which is really a very good return. So we are really quite happy, and we will continue trading this on our live account, and you can have a look at these results at any time. As I said, they are publicly available to view and to analyze on our website. You can go to the performance, you can see exactly what it's doing, and if you want to see exactly what trades open and close, you can click on the terminal tab, and in there you can see exactly all of the trades that have opened, closed, whether it's a long or a short, what the profit was, what the loss was, etc. So that's it. We now have a working EA running on a new demo account. The next step is tracking your account and EA performance, which is also very important. So if you want to learn how to easily do that using a new tracking app, check out this video here. I'll leave links to Market Fighter, Blackball, and all of our account results below, so you can do exactly what I just did. As always, thanks for watching, trade safe, and I'll see you soon.